Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to set your checkboxes or tick boxes in your Google Excel sheet with the formatting option. So if you're interested in the video, be with us till the end because this is the most easiest method to insert checkboxes or tick boxes. Stay tuned. Just open your Google Excel sheet either from the browser or through any of the devices that you're using. As you open the sheet, for the tick boxes, first you used to have the option under this section, but now the option is not anymore, not available. And if you are using your Excel online, which a lot of people are doing, and if you're not having the access to your Excel offline, this is the right method. This is the correct method to use the checkbox, and this is more advanced and will help you to use the checkbox within a couple of minutes. So this method is easy. What you have to do is just click on the insert tab that is at the taskbar from the top section. As you click on the insert, you have to click on this tick box, which is also the checkbox. So when you click on the tick box, as I have already selected this cell, my tick box is here. Now if I click on it, if I tick on it, okay, that means work status is done, and then I clicked tick on it. Now for example, let me do some changes in the status so that it gets easier for you to understand. So here I'll just do some changes. So now similarly, when I insert the tick box, here, as the work status is not done, I won't click on it. I'll just if you double press on it, you'll see as the box was not ticked, that's why it showed false. Now in this cell, if you double click on it, the cell, it says true. As it was done, it says true. This says false as it was not done. Now go to the other and you have to repeat the same method. You can also select all the cells and scroll down the whole section for however many cells you wish to use the checkbox or tick box for. You can scroll down and put the status accordingly. For example, as you just saw, I clicked on the corner and I scroll down and I have all the checkboxes or tick boxes for all the required statuses, and I'll tick mark or leave it blank accordingly. And that's it, as you can see. Now let's just right click and add a column to the left. Now this column will be the checkbox column, checkbox status. So in this column we'll see if this is true, then it should be true here, and we have to format it. So what you'll do is right click, scroll down a bit, go to view more cell actions, go to conditional formatting, click on it, apply the range if you wish to, select the range. This is F2, so The range has been already selected for this section. Okay. If cell, so format rules. So if the cell is empty, not empty, text contains, text does not contain, text starts with, and all these options are there, and you can select all the options to format it accordingly. So I'll put if the text is not empty. The color I'll choose done. So this is the rule that I apply. So here, if the text is not empty, so here I'll put done. As you can see, when I formatted, I chose the condition if the text is not empty. As I put done on it, under the tick mark, the color automatically changed to purple. So now it'll be easier for you to see. Either you can check it from the checkbox, double tap on it, see true, or you can also check it easily from the checkbox status, which says done with the color. Now this is empty, so leave it blank, leave it blank. After that, done, enter. Now, as you can see, when you typed done in this section, it did not appear in color. The reason was that when we formatted the text, we only chose F2. So if you want to do it for this section as well, you have to choose F5. So this cell will also appear in the color and you can format it accordingly. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below for all the latest updates and notifications. Thank you.